say that I am a traitor, but it is in the social media. Did you take an effort to clarify that so that you could not mislead people because they might believe that you have said that? It is only now that you are disowning this statement. Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair. Yes, sir. To the Honorable Marcoleta, sir. Let's put it on record. I did not use the word traitor in describing your statement that the West Philippine Sea ay kathang-isip lamang po. Let me read my post on X. I stand by the statement of President Bongbong Marcos when he said ang West Philippine Sea ay hindi kathang-isip natin lamang. Ito ay atin, ito ay mananatiling atin hanggang nag-aalab ang diwa ng ating minamahal na bansang Pilipinas. Hearing someone claim that the West Philippine Sea is merely a fabrication of the Philippine government is a disservice and an embarrassment to their entire party, the organization he belonged to, and even their own family. How can the one face the younger generations today and tell them that our exclusive economic zone to the west of our archipelago is non-existent, effectively giving up the fight to assert their rights as Filipinos in the West Philippine Sea?
Yun. Yun ang post pala ni Commodore Tariela sa X o kaya Twitter dati. Kinote niya si BBM. Kinote niya si BBM. Ito namang si Marcoleta, naku po, napaka-ampalaya mo, Marcoleta. Napaka-ampalaya mo talaga. Ito, pakinggan natin. Pagpatuloy natin.
Mr. Chair, sinabi ko ba na katang-isip ang West Philippine Sea?
I cannot recall, Mr. Chair.
Hindi, kasi ang salita mo dyan, merong nagsabing katang-isip.
Hindi ganun eh. Ang bobo mo. Kinote niya si Pangulong BBM. Ang nagsabi na katang-isip, si BBM. Hindi mo ba nakita yung context ng kanyang tweet doon sa X? Sus Mariosep naman. Ano ba talaga, Marcoleta?
Sinabi ko ba na katang-isip ang West Philippine Sea?
I said I stand by the statement of the President. I did not mention you said it, sir.
Meron kang katang-isip na sinabi dyan eh. To whom are you referring that?
No, sir. The katang-isip
Ayan. Sinabi nga ni BBMA.
phrase was the President's statement during
O ayun, was the President's statement nga eh. Ano ba, Marcoleta? Nakikinig ka ba? Nakikinig ka ba? Ayan ba ang gusto nating maging senador?